Hello everyone, welcome to day 10 of the 30-day AI Profit Challenge. Mark here. Believe it or not, we're already 1/3 of the way through our incredible journey. If you're new here, make sure you check out the playlist up above and check out the previous days. We've already covered a lot of things and you don't want to miss anything. They build on each other. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification icon, bell below, so you can be notified every time we post new content. Share this video with someone who wants to make money with AI tools. And as always, please grab your AI checklist, your free AI checklist from the list below, the link below. It'll help you follow along and start your own 30-day challenge. Today, we're focusing on crafting incredible writing prompts, article writing prompts with ChatGPT, and then using those prompts in Claude.ai to build incredible articles. Now, whether you're writing for a blog, building a business website, or creating content to drive traffic to, these tools will save you hours of time. Okay, let's go ahead and get started here then with our actual prompts. So the first thing we want to do is we want to build out a basic plan here. So first, please, let's see how I want to say this. Please optimize this prompt for an LLM such as yourself. And let's add a little bit more here, period. This prompt is for writing SEO optimized articles. That way it gives it some information. And let's start. First thing I want to know is keyword, and then we'll just go like this. Well, it helps if I spell keyword, right? Keyword, primary focus, and then context. Well, let's actually just make a keyword. Chatbots for restaurants. We'll keep with that since we're kind of following along that theme and it's something useful for me. Restaurants. Context to inform restaurant owners of the usefulness of chatbots. This is an informative art. That's what I can spell today, but that's all right. It doesn't matter too much. Informative article. Use the outline. No, we won't use an outline today. That's a whole nother thing. That's good there. And then the purpose. Define the main objectives such as educate. You know what? We're going to change this whole thing. We're going to change it to, instead of chatbots for restaurants, we're going to have I'm going to make it generic, have the user define the keyword. Context is, well, we'll just delete this and redo this. Sorry about that. Context, describe. Well, I cannot spell today, I guess, or type, one or the other. Describe the purpose of the article, including wow, really? Really, Mark? Any tools, features, or themes to be highlighted? All right, so let's go ahead, including any tools, comma, features, or themes to be highlighted. All right, and then what else do we want to do here? Explain how the article aligns with the overall goals of the project. Okay. Explain how the articles align with the goals and project. Okay. And then we want to go into purpose. The purpose is going to be define the main objectives of the article, i.e., 1, educate the reader. 2, we could say showcase the importance of a product. 3, encourage action. CTA. All right. Structure. Structure. We want intro. 2. Introduction. 2. We want value proposition. 3, we want our benefits. Benefits. Or 3, we want specific advantages for the target audience. I guess it's ENCE. ENCE. Wow, spelling is atrocious today. And then 4, the CTA. Next, we want to go tone and style. I typically go friendly tone. And actually, there's more on this that we can do in Claude. We can actually set tones and the way it comes out. And I'll show you that. Won't get too much into it, but I'll show you how I do that in there. All right. What else do we want to do here? We want to add, make sure the friendly tone along having a style of short, readable sentences using bullet LET, bullet points, bold, bold, bold highlights, maybe highlights. I guess that would be the right word to use. Using natural language. Natural language. Excuse me. Please make sure you don't let's see here. What else do we want to say? We don't use any of this. Now, I've actually copied this over. I've written this out and put this together. Don't use negative words. And there's the list of things that key it off. If we use this list, that'll take care of all of the takes out of that AI detection to make things better. And then SEO. Well, I guess I got to go. SEO considerations. One, include keywords. No, include guidelines for keywords. That way it'll actually take a look and see what's there. Guidelines for keyword integration, such as where to place the primary keyword, headings, what else? First line, and last line. Last line, EC, etc. Oh, I know what I wanted to do. In the styling, I want to add conversational, friendly and conversational. Where's my styling? Tone and style. I have short sentences. Oh, friendly tone. Conversation style. A friendly conversational tone. There we go. All right, I just thought of that. Geez, what is up with my atrocious writing today? I apologize, guys. All right. Headings, etc. After that, we also want to, that's one. So two, list related keywords for semantic relevance. Semantic relevance. And then three, highlight the importance of natural flow, avoiding keyword stuffing or something like this. So three would be highlight the importance of natural flow and avoid keyword stuffing. That's good. And then internal linking. And what we want to do here is suggest adding 2 to 3 internal links to relevant pages using, what's that called again? Oh, descriptive anchors. Descriptive anchor text. And then there's other things you can do here that I would suggest, relevant. Other things you can do, like you can actually copy out your sitemap and drop it in here, and then it'll automatically add them in as well. But let's see what comes up with now. Let's go. And there it is, and it's working. All right, prompt for writing SEO articles. Have users define meaning. You describe the purpose of the article, including themes, emphasizing. So here's nice and clean there. Let's put this in Canvas. Canvas is a great tool. We can go like this. I guess we can do it this way. Canvas. Please put this in Canvas. And it'll pop up over here and we can actually edit something we don't like, something we do like. Should be doing its thing. Why is it not in? Okay, well, use Canvas. All right. Well, what we'll do, we're going to add this prohibited phrase. We're going to re-add that entire list, but let's give it a moment here. Canvas, please. All right, we are going to use this template to make an article about we'll go back to that idea now. Restaurant chatbots for restaurants. Chatbots for restaurants. Please add the relevant information that you are aware of to the prompt for this. Let's see how we do. Now it should hopefully pop up in Canvas. And it did not. Memory, here's how you can apply it. All right. Primary keyword, purpose, aim, educate restaurant managers. Good. Good. Main purpose of the article, structure. All right, we want to CTA. All right. Now what we want to do, that's good. Please add all of these negative words to the list. Do not miss any of them. And we're going to go like this, paste that back in there. We're almost there. We almost have our completed prompt. Let's let it finish. I've been hitting it a little bit hard. I am on the free version of ChatGPT. All right. Well, you've added it, but where is it? Is that it? Where did it go? The structure guide you on the creation. Did it? I'm not seeing the canvas. That's what's driving me crazy here. I don't know what's going on. But okay, let's go ahead and please show me the updated prompt. Here we go. So there we go. Now it's looking good. Let's look at the negative phrases. All right, it's looking pretty good overall. There, they're all in there now. All right. And then let's take this prompt here, and it's ready to go. There we go. Control C, and we're going to go over to Claude, and we're just going to paste that right in there. And then the other thing, see this choose writing style? It gives you some choices. I've made these myself, so deliver analytical, instructive marketing content through engaging, structured approach. This one, deliver expert marketing insight through actionable, conversational, and data-driven content. I like this one here, which is, again, one that I actually made. And I think tomorrow we'll be working on how you actually make these different types of prompts. We went ahead, digital marketing guide, and let's just go. Let's see what it comes up with for the article. And it's going. All right, so it's suggesting 3 links here. Now, if I put in my actual, what's it called, sitemap, it will actually link in within the thing, within the article. So let's take a look here. All right, sorry about that. Let's go ahead and copy and paste this out and put this into GPT to see how it looks. I'm seeing a couple of issues right up front on the top of this. It looks like it might be a little bit AI driven. But let's see how many words are here and how it looks. Overall, we're going to clean that up a little bit, but it's a pretty decent article. Not sure how many words are there. Let's go ahead and paste that in there. Detect AI. Detect text. Did it do it? It's working on it. Yeah, 28%. Yeah, see why chatbots for restaurants are your secret weapon of growth. Want to boost your costs. Okay. But once we get past that, it looks pretty good. Overall, how many words are here? FAQs. All right. Look at the bottom line. Again, the closing is a little bit not so good, but 402 words. All right, let's add a couple of more small things here. Let's go ahead and change this to please expand on this, but do not add any fluff. Also, please rewrite the intro and closing to be more natural while keeping the same information. So you have to play with it a little bit, but you can see how, I mean, we're 20 minutes into this and a lot of it was just fluff, but you can see how quickly I can build out a decent page here. Wow, there we go. Now let's take a look at this. Let's see here. It's just a list almost, but here we go. Let's see how this turns out now. Come back to Zero GPT. And we come up here, Control A, Control V, detect, and it's going. Get rid of this. No reason for that to be up there. I can get rid of it. Not letting me. All right. So 19%. So that dropped that down. But how many words did we? The closing looks a little bit better. But 437, it didn't really expand on that. So what I would do with this particular article, it just looks almost like a list. What I would do is please expand on automated order taking, reservation management. So to make it a little bit better, the closing is much better. Please expand on each of the sections, making it less like a list and more conversational. Let's see how that turns out. There we go. It's looking a little bit better. There's a dash in there. Let's see how this turns out. Continuing expansion for sections, maintaining conversational tone while incorporating. Please continue. Well, let's get this and see how this works. Control C. I like how it actually stops while it's doing it and decides, like it's run out of the tokens for that particular one. All right, look at this. All right, that's not looking good. All right, 440 words. But you get the idea. You got to play around with it a little bit, but you can quickly make an article. And this is how I typically will do it, is go through and just keep plugging away. I'll get you some good prompts and put them in my checklist. Make sure you download the checklist. And tomorrow we're going to get into how to actually set up those tones and the stylings. And you don't want to miss that because that is really important. So thanks for your time today. I know this one went a little bit longer. Make sure you like, subscribe, and set that notification bell. Also download the free AI checklist. And we're coming down to the end of the year here and don't want to miss out on that spotter giveaway. So go ahead and check that out. And we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for your time.